a quick update on the plants. This is pretty much what I do every day with the plants. And I do have one surprise. The Nepenthes Raja has got a baby. Another little one starting right there. And I got some pictures starting on it. And this is the Drosera that shouldn't even be there, but I couldn't find it in my heart to pull it out. It's happy. Don't know how, because this is not a bog plant. The Raja isn't, but the Drosera is. And you can see it doesn't sit in water. They sit on top of the water above it. The Raja does, so does this one and this one. But this one likes to sit in water, just like this one right here. You can see it's sitting in water. If I can get in there without having all these in my way, I should plant all these. You can see how easy the Drosera art is to plant, because it actually just came from this, the stem from the Drosera right here. And this one has other plants as well. You can see they're different. And my husband got that for me several months ago. He got this one for me right before Christmas. And that's the Farger right there. And this is the Wandering Jew that I started over the summer. It's doing really well. And this is String of Pearls, String of Hearts. This is a Purple Queen. Some more Nepenthes. It looks like I got to fix the hose back there, so that way it'll get back on the Nepenthes. These will be planted outside, these little trees, little bushes. But I have them in the house, so that way, you know, they have a good start. And then this is my succulent area. And this one, it's called a Red Kiss. And my pothos is doing really well. Here's the other pothos. The ferns. My husband calls that the banana plant. I'm not sure which one it is. If you guys know, leave a comment in there and let me know what this one is. He calls it the banana plant. Not sure, but I think that's, you know, if that's what he says it is, that's what we're going to say it is. And then we have spider plants. Back there, you can see all the babies. And if you look, you can see the roots. And then we have another spider plant up there. So this is my little Garden of Eden. I have mother-in-law's tongue back there. I have a Swiss plant right here. My husband calls that the money tree. Don't think that's what it is. We have another spider plant right there. And this is how I clean my living room. Once you get it clean and you just maintain it, it's pretty easy. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this gives you guys a little bit of oomph that you needed to get up and get things done, to clean with me. And I will see you on the next video. Bye, friends.